Learn about Introduction to Operating System. What is an operating system? An operating system is basically an interface between the software and the computer hardware. It is an integrated set of specialized program, or the special program we can say, which can perform all the operations like managing file, managing memory, managing input and output devices, controlling your printers, scanners. Everything is controlled by operating system. For example, Windows 10, Windows 7, these all versions of Windows, Unix, Linux, these all are operating. Next, here we can see how it works. It acts as an interface between the user and the system. Whatever you are giving instructions, the operating system takes the instructions and explains it to the computer. Then again, whatever computer is saying, the operating system understands it and transfers it to the user. Now, objectives of operating system. Operating system allows us to use computer system in a proper manner. It allows us to connect online or in network and also maintains the security of our data and information. Not only this, it manages all the hardware and software components of the computer so that the user can work properly. Apart from this, it helps to store the files and manages it properly. Not only this, if there is any problem in the system or any problem with the computer, it detects and tries to handle it properly. Finally, it protects all the data and information that is stored in our computer system. Function of an operating system. If you look about the function, it starts from process. Process management means how the CPU is going to work, how the operating system is going to do the process, how it will tell you the result of the process. Next is memory management. Whenever you save any work, how the work will be saved, where the work will be saved. Next is file management. File management means it manages file related operations, what cut, copy, paste, delete, whatever you do with the files. Wherever you are saving the files, who gets the file, who is working with the file, these all things are managed by operating system. Next is your device management. Device management keeps a track of all the devices that are connected to your computer system. Then input output system, almost the same thing. The main object is to work with the hardware devices so that user can work with. Not only this, we have secondary storage management, means managing the CD, hard disk, pen drive that we connect from outside, means managing all types of memory sections like primary, secondary, then cache storage is there. All instructions must be stored in primary storage or cache so that you can work. So this whole work is done by operating system. Means once you put the CD, then it is loaded to the primary, then to the cache, and then the computer is working. So this whole thing is managed by our operating system. Next is working for the security. As I told you in the features, it keeps our data information secure. So working for the security means so that no other program, no other virus or malware can steal away. These all things are performed by the operating system. Next is whatever commands you are giving, whatever things you are asking the computer to do, that commands are processed or recognized by the operating system. Last is networking and communication management. Means it helps you to go and connect online, share the memory or the hardware, keep track of what things you are doing on the means preparing the history or preparing a track of things what you have been doing for the recent past, which files you have opened or which sites you have visited. And finally, it coordinates between all the programs, all the hardwares and softwares so that the user can work on the system properly. have to study about Windows 10 this time. Windows 10 is an operating system which has a graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means it has pictures, mouse cursor, or interactive screen where you can click and do the work. You can see the pictures. Through pictures you can open the programs. So this interactive environment or this attractive environment where we don't need to write many commands, we simply do our work with the mouse cursor, is a GUI or a graphical user interface. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows developed by Microsoft Office. Study about Windows 10 in the next part of the video.